fogginess. Camera hasn't adjusted to the humidity yet. I'm following Tom because he knows where the chairs are. So he got out here at like 6:30. And then staying in this resort, they'll put out umbrellas and chairs for free for you. But you have to get out here early because they obviously only have a number of them. Oh my gosh, it's a lot more crowded today. It's a Saturday. Just put them on. See what you think. You see the problem?
I just don't look down.
Oh, so Lakeline, I couldn't find his sunglasses, so I gave him Tom's like sunglasses and reading glasses, so it has like bifocals right there. All right, so there's Tom and Lakeline playing football in the water. I just can't get over how many more people there are today. Wow, I guess a lot of people started their vacations today. The beach trip is not complete without an airplane going by with a banner behind it. So it is about 12:20 maybe. Like I said, Tom got out here really early this morning, was out here for about 2 hours. And then Skyline and Lakeline came down at about 11:30. And then we came down at about 12. And now they are playing lacrosse. There's our little setup, 4 chairs, boogie board, lots of stuff.
I'm hanging out here in the shade. Got the $10 football from Publix, and Lakeland and I have both now used arm muscles that we forgot existed. So that's over for a while. She's going to insert the footage of the underwater GoPro right here. I'm trying to find him and I'm not doing good. Where'd she go? Nope. See, I don't have my reading glasses on, so that could be somebody else's family entirely, but I think it's us. And now Dana's got the mask. I think. I have no idea.
It really is nice that you can actually get these for free, that they don't rent them. Rarely does that happen at beaches anymore. See, and there's another. Hello all. So we're off to find some food. It's 3:20. We basically did what we did yesterday and just didn't have a meal yet. We've just had a couple snacks in the room for like breakfast, and it worked out fine yesterday. Call it that way it was just one meal, a big lunch / dinner. So we're off to do that again. We're gonna head back towards Destin, because you know we're in Fort Walton right now, which it isn't like it's far. And we have a couple ideas of where to eat, because of course we grabbed like all these types of little books and coupon books at the hotel, and a couple of them, you know, have coupons. So we're off to go see food. We're off to eat. We're off to eat food. That's what we're gonna do. More traffic out here today. So this is the little strip in between kind of Fort Walton and Destin. Make sure to come back to the next vlog, subscribe, because that is where we check in tomorrow. We decided to go to this Island Wing Company. I have a coupon for free appetizer, mainly because all the like beachy, on the beach restaurants would be totally packed right now. I chose a mask that would match today. Somewhat match. These two just basically wear their same mask. Well, him too. He just keeps wearing the same one over and over. Okay, Island Wing Company. This is napkins. That's interesting. Cool. Okay, so utensils are in this little plastic bag. And big old menus. Ooh, guess what Skyland just noticed? Fryer free. Everything is baked. Nothing is fried. And even like, because I was like, I don't want mozzarella sticks because they're fried. But that's when she said, no, they're not. Look at all this amazing food that is not fried. Wow. So this is the buffalo nachos. That's a huge appetite. Oh my God, is there a jalapeno on that? We told her no jalapenos. We told her no jalapenos, and they're jalapenos. Crud. Try it. She's trying a tiny piece of jalapeno. Lakeland said it was sweet.
I just ate 2 giant ones.
Skyland begs to differ. We came at a good time, you know. It's like 3:55 now, and like, there's nobody in here. Oh, there's one couple behind us. I forgot to say what this had. So pineapples, different sauces, chicken, lettuce.
Yeah, the red stuff isn't particularly like hot.
I mean, it's just like, it's a mild buffalo sauce.
It's really sweet.
Oh yeah, it's barbecue. I'm sorry, it was barbecue Hawaiian. That's what it was. But it's, as you can see, we are enjoying it.
Yeah, that's up.
Boneless wings for Tom, and mahi-mahi for Skyland, and grilled chicken for Lakeland, and salmon for moi.
They weren't kidding when they said jumbo boneless wings.
That is a perfect heart. Or Mickey head.
Is it boneless wings or spineless wings?
I don't think I've ever seen a car wash like that. Like those vacuum things, the vacuum hoses.
I have.
Huh, their Culver's has a vehicle. We don't have one of those.
Whenever I like my car.
It's a free car wash, look. For water in the grass and the concrete.
The bad thing is that stuff spots bad.
Yeah, look, right there, that white car. Both those white cars are getting a free car wash. Helicopter is taking off.
That's too little.
It's tiny.
Went up in a helicopter with no door.
Yeah, that would not have happened. No can do. No. It's a beachside bar and grill. So Lakeland Skyland and I have actually ate at this Bubba Gump's before. It is in one of our beach vlogs from 2018. Got a little track, you know, like they have like Gatlinburg, Myrtle Beach, places like that. And then recreation center, that's what I'm looking for. Putt-putt. And arcade, water bumper cars. Lakeland, get out, grab that. Is it cheese? It looks like it's cheese. Like, cool. Oh my gosh, it's moving. The wind is moving it.
I got it.
Skyland's like, what are you looking at?
Oh, it's probably got a remote control on it, so that when people get out, they run it up and down the sidewalk.
Move up some, Tom, so I can get this. There we go. I guess it blew away from over here.
Might be a donut.
No, it looks like corn or cheese on the other side. Oh, with nuts on top. Chocolate and nuts, maybe? Well, if you look at it the other side, it looks like corn kernels or nuts. So all this is a water park. Big Kahuna Water Park. At first we thought it was putt-putt when we came from the other direction. Heavenly, 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 heavenly themed. Gosh, I could not get that out. Or appropriately listening to some Jimmy Buffett. This is unique, the Breakfast Table Cafe. Okay, that is just the kind of whimsical I like. Oh, this is the bus with the mannequins. Cannot have a beach trip without getting ice cream. So we're stopping at Sugarland. So they have Hershey's ice cream here. So we just used that backdrop over there to get a cool picture of my ice cream, and the caramel was dripping. I'm gonna insert that picture now. Skyline kind of put a filter on it. All right, let's see if many boats are out. Lots of boats, lots of boats.
That would be so fun to be out there.
It really would.
Like meeting people and stuff.
It's like an RV park, but with boats. It's a lot less people out than it was earlier, that's for sure. Look at all those people parasailing back there. Oh, it's a Death Eater.
No, it's a Demento.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's a Dementor. Where is it? I can't see it in my camera. I don't know what that's supposed to be, but it's definitely, oh my gosh, it looks like one. That is crazy. What did we say? A Dementor?
Yes.
That is definitely what that looks like. Oh my gosh. Well, Stubby's seafood restaurant is pretty packed. 6:14 and we are back at the Wyndham Garden Hotel. All right, Stitch is all settled there in the visor. I mean the window. Stitch is a sun visor. And let's head on up. We can see Stitch from the window. This is why I need a clone. Lakeland's like, Mom, what am I wearing tomorrow? And what do you want? She needs to know what pictures to put on her like model site. And what do you want?
I need help picking out which game to play.
I can't.
Mom!
They're all calling me at the same time. And what am I trying to do? But I'm trying to edit the travel day vlog and get it up because I told y'all it was supposed to be up today, and it's like, what time is it? It's after 8 and it's not up yet. Wow, look at this sunset.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed to we're on the run today.